Are you gonna try it?
It's hard to make it gentle though, isn't it? Alright, now put it down on the ground really slowly, nice and gentle, and let yourself subside. Perfect. Well,
Okay, whoa.
that's high enough. There you go.
Whoa!
There you go.
Alright, now put her back
Set
down.
it down real slow.
Oh,
There you go.
slowly.
There you go. There, nice and smooth. You'll be an operator soon. A little further. A little more. There you go. Now pull your red lever.